I'll do it. Hello.
It's me looking for.
It's me, Clarita, Margarita.
And I'm the cow Barbie.
And today, we will be showing you how to flush a toilet.
We have one right here. It's that one right there.
That's really pretty. I think so.
Wait, natural light. No, don't show them my yard.
So we're gonna go straight to the toilet here. Try not to drop our device in.
I swear, if you drop it, I'm gonna.
Okay, you hold it then. Okay, so now, as you can see here,
Put the lid down.
this is the toilet. We're gonna first start with the lid going down. As you can see, it's slowly falling. See?
There's a trash can, but yeah, ignore it.
Okay, so now there is either a little thingy on the side here.
Or on like the top, there'll be like a little circle.
Yeah, that happens too. You just like this, and listen to that. Look. And then let's check to see if it's done. Oops.
Oh my god, it's empty! Alright, so
Now I'll wash my hands.
that was how to, and then make sure you wash your hands.
Who's ready to watch me wash my hands?
Oh yeah, and this is a two video. Ready?
I'm gonna turn on the tap. You gotta put
That's
this
a
on.
bit much water, so maybe don't use that much in future times.
Turn it down. It won't turn down.
No, leave it alone.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's just like a normal tap. Gonna turn it off. And, oh my god, you got
Oh, I
water.
still have some soap on my finger.
You got water on my Chromebook.
Well, that's too bad. There we
Alright,
go.
and then follow Clarita.
Now, quickly dry my hands right here.
And then
Dry
we
the computer. And then we're done.
And now we're done. We're gonna end the video.
So I'm Clarita Margarita.
And I'm Raquel Barbie. And this is us.